2016 Dodge Charger Hellcat. Beautiful car. I don't know what's going on. It's early in the morning, guys. Right there. Got some nice artwork on the side. You guys can see right there. Got beautiful wheels, beautiful tires. What we got done on it for you guys, something special. Got factory converters there and there. Then 3-inch exhaust, FLOWMASTER X-Pot right there. And then he had those huge FLOWMASTERs. I don't know where they're at. They put them outside. I'll show them to you guys in a second. And they were rubbing on the drive shaft, as you guys can see right there. So what he did is he brought it to us and said, I don't want it hitting the drive shaft anymore. We said, okay, we can fix it. So we put them FLOWMASTER Pro Series Outlaw mufflers, 3-inch in, 3-inch out. Part number 13009130. Right there, really beautiful. Got it away from the drive shaft, got it away from everything. Cleared it up for him. As you guys can see there, there's the logo on it, Outlaw. And then it's got still the FLOWMASTER 3-inch tailpipes on each side, there and there. Into his 4-inch tips, he's gonna bring back, and we're gonna put 5-inch tips on it for him later down the road. There's the two mufflers that he had on them, and they were rubbing real bad. Look at that, as you guys can see. Okay, and if you guys want to follow him, there's his Instagram right there. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, please. Charger Hellcat. I love the stripes. I like the black hood. It's nice all the way around. It's sexy. No more huge, quiet mufflers. Much better. Here we go. That's awesome. Beast mode. That was awesome. Look at it smoke. That was awesome.